This is dope as fuck. You guys been waiting for, and legit guys, look. It's literally fucking, let's check what time it is. 5:33 a.m. in the morning, and I've been constantly editing the fucking panda video. I just want to say that this was just meant for a joke, so if you guys think I'm taking it serious, guys, I don't care if you drop a dislike. Honestly, in my opinion, guys, let's shoot for 10 dislikes. If we can get that, that'd be fucking amazing, because I really want to get that. So, on this video, guys, give it 10 dislikes. No one like it, just give it dislikes, alright? So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Right. Yeah! Panda. Yeah! Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Yeah! This is what shit will on. Yeah! They get calls on lump. Yeah! This is me with long. Wazy. Panda. Wazy. Eat like panda. Yeah! Throwing their heads on the top of 100 kids in the lawn. Yeah! I got broads in Atlanta. Yeah! This is what shit will on. Gonna count them up against the beats and the one. Kids gone, yeah. Got the kids in my lump against things in the tongue. Yeah. I got broads in Atlanta. Yeah, it's a man to myself. I got broads in Atlanta. Yeah. This is what she was more. Credit cards to myself, but Wazy, you do the team with the other. Lazy, panda. Wazy, eat like a panda. Going their heads with top. All the kids are around. I got broads in Atlanta. Yeah. This is what she with mom. Yeah. 100 cars in my numb. Yeah. This is what team with the one. Legacy, panda. Waist in like a panda. Growing their head with top. 100 kids to another. I'm a badass fucking rapper. That's how you know I am, man. Panda. Mr. Green, pandas. But I got broads in London. Yeah, this one chill with I'm the worst rapper ever out there. I am no, but I am a legend at rapping. No, what the fuck am I saying? I don't even know. I don't even know. Yeah, this is what I am, but I like doing raps. I am the worst at rapping, but whatever I can say. Mr. Green, pandas. He's the homie I know. Motherfucker, I know. This song is dedicated to him, but I don't know. Motherfucker, don't know. I don't even know what the hell I'm saying, but I like it. It's going slow, but I just love the song. It's a good beat. I don't even know what I'm saying. I just want my feet in the beat. I just want to know. I just want to freaking know that I am the bestest, better, better than 3 Pac. Panda. I got broads in London. Yeah, this is my chin wrong. Yeah, credit cards to my stomp. What the fuck is wrong? Oh my god, my recording just fucked. Let me fucking do this while I freaking this my mind. I don't know what the hell to say. This song is too damn fast, even though I said so fucking damn slow mo. Was this really actually 4 minutes long? Damn, felt like this was only like 30 seconds. Goodbye.